Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to install beams on your ceiling. The trim surrounding the room on the ceiling should be the same size as the square dowels. My trim is 1/2 inch by 1/8 inch and the square dowels are 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch. You can purchase the square dowels on Amazon or at a home improvement store such as Menards or Lowe's. The trim or strip wood can be purchased from several online miniature shops or at Hobby Lobby. Stain or paint the trim and the dowels, making sure not to paint the side that will go on the ceiling. This will allow the glue to adhere better. Using a Leans Tacky glue, install the trim first. You can use either painter's tape or clamps to hold it in place while it dries. While the trim is drying, you can cut the square dowels to length so that it fits the length of the room in between the pieces of trim. Make some spacers using the square dowels. The length of the spacers is up to you as to how far apart you want your beams to be. This boils down to personal preference. Put glue on the side of the beam that is not stained or painted. Put your spacer up on the ceiling so you know where to put your beam, and have the second spacer close by and add that as well. You are not gluing the spacers to the ceiling. They will stay up by the pressure of the beams being tight to the spacers. Use a piece of trim or square dowel that is slightly taller than the height to the bottom of the beam to help keep the beams from falling down while they dry. After a couple of hours, remove the spacers and the trim pieces and install the next beam. If you have trouble removing the spacers, use a pick or a thin tool to grab it or wrap painter's tape around it to pull it down. Now repeat the process to add the next beam. You can make more than one set of spacers to install all the beams at once, but I thought it would be easier to show the process by doing it one set at a time. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe so you'll know when I post again. Thank you for watching.